Hey, what's up? Welcome to our channel Linux Temple, and today in this video I'm going to show you guys how to install Ubuntu 21.04 in your external hard drive. Also, you can apply the same method for installing any other versions of Ubuntu, and if you want to install Ubuntu in the internal hard drive, you can also apply the same method. And here I'm using Windows 10 and I'm going to download Ubuntu ISO first, which you can get from the official website of Ubuntu, and then another software called Rufus, and this is used to make a bootable USB and write Ubuntu ISO in it. So in order to download them, just go to web browser and search for download Ubuntu. So go to the first link and then Ubuntu desktop. So there you have two different variants. Ubuntu 20.04, this is the LTS version, that means long-term support for 5 years until April 2025. But I'm going to download Ubuntu 21.04, which is the latest release, by simply clicking here, download, and it is around 3 GB. So but I've already downloaded this, that's why I'm not gonna download this. And similarly you have to download Rufus. So search for Rufus, RUFUS, download. So there you have different options, portable, and I simply recommend you to download this .exe file, which is of 1.1 MB, very light software. And I have already downloaded these two files here, you can see, Rufus and Ubuntu ISO. So first we need to insert a USB drive where we want to write the Ubuntu ISO file, and I have already inserted that USB. And then you need to run Rufus, and here first you need to choose the device. So now you have to choose the device. So this is my 16 GB USB drive. Just select this, and then you need to select the Ubuntu ISO file. So click and select. So here I have this file, Ubuntu installation. So this is the ISO file of Ubuntu 21.04. Just select this and leave everything as it is. Okay, and just click on start, and this will warn you that it is going to delete all the files from the USB drive. Just select OK, and this may take around 2 minutes, and after that your USB will be ready. Okay, and I have already written the Ubuntu ISO in my USB drive. Now it's time to restart my system, and here you can see this is my ASP laptop, and this is the USB drive where the Ubuntu ISO is written there, and this is the external hard drive where I want to install Ubuntu. Okay, so for this let me power it on, and since I'm going to boot from USB, so I need to press F9, and here you can see different storage options, and I want to boot from this SanDisk pen drive, USB drive. So I need to select this, and it will boot from. So now Ubuntu is going to boot. So here's our Ubuntu desktop, and there we have two different options, try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. And if you want to check it before installing it, just click on try Ubuntu. Since we are going to install this, so I'm going to select install Ubuntu. So there you can choose keyboard layout and language. So I'm leaving it as default and continue. So if you want minimal version of Ubuntu which doesn't include many more apps, you can choose minimal installation, but I'm going to choose normal installation, which includes web browser, utilities, office software, games and media players. Can continue. Also you can tick this install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware and other media formats. Just check on it and continue. And this is the most important part here. And since we are going to install Ubuntu on our external hard drive, so here I'm going to select something else. Continue. So there you can select the disk, okay, and here the first one is the installer USB drive, and next dev STA, and this is my internal SSD, and I'm not going to install here. And there you can see dev STB. So this is my external hard drive, and you can see Manjaro Linux there. I've installed Manjaro before. So first I'm going to delete all these partitions. Just select the partition and click on minus. That means delete. So here I have deleted all the partitions from dev STB. So here you can see all the 500 GB space is available now, which is a free space given there. And now I'm going to create a partitions. So first just click on the free space, select the free space and plus. So first I'm going to create a root partition for Ubuntu, and for this I'm going to create a partition of around 50 GB. Okay, primary and mount point, and this is the root, and just click on OK. And device for bootloader installation, and here also you have to select the external disk, the external hard drive, and which is dev STB. You can see 500 GB. So select this drive and install now. So here's the warning. If you continue, the changes listed below will be written into the disk, otherwise you will be able to make further changes manually. So this is telling me that this will destroy all the data on any partitions you have removed, as well as on the partitions that were going to be formatted. You can continue. So here you can select New York, okay, and name and password. Continue. So now this is going to install Ubuntu on my external hard drive, and this is definitely going to take some time, so I'm going to skip that part. So here you can see this is going to install Ubuntu from this SanDisk USB drive into this external hard drive. Actually this is my laptop's internal hard drive, and I made it portable by using this cable. and our installation process is complete now. So we need to restart this. So here you get the message that you need to remove the installation medium, so which is our USB drive. So just remove this, enter. Now again, now I'm going to choose boot option by pressing F9. Since I'm going to boot my system from this external USB drive, that is the external hard drive. So there you can see Ubuntu. So just select this, say enter. So here we have Ubuntu, and the desktop is going to load. And so this is our login screen. Enter a password. So this is our Ubuntu desktop, and here's our menu. This is our file manager. So guys, in this way we can install Ubuntu in our external hard drive. So if you have any confusions and any problems, please write down the comment below. And I hope you like this video. Please like this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.